Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid getting sick. Let's start with one of the most effective methods, proper hand hygiene. Washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, about the time it takes to sing "Happy Birthday" twice, is crucial. If soap and water aren't accessible, an alcohol-based hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol can be a good alternative. Remember to clean your hands after touching shared surfaces or after coughing or sneezing. A strong immune system is your best defense against illness. Fuel your body with a balanced diet, emphasizing plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Adequate sleep is also vital. Try to get between 7 and 9 hours of quality rest every night. Regular physical activity, like a brisk walk for 30 minutes most days, significantly contributes to overall wellness and immune function. Protecting yourself also involves your environment. Make it a habit to regularly clean and disinfect frequently touched surfaces in your home and workplace. It's also incredibly important to avoid touching your face, particularly your eyes, nose, and mouth, as this is a common way germs enter your body. Ensuring good ventilation in indoor areas by opening windows can also help reduce airborne pathogens. Beyond the basics, adopting healthy lifestyle habits can further reduce your risk of getting sick. Effective stress management, perhaps through mindfulness or engaging in hobbies, is key, as chronic stress can weaken immunity. Staying well hydrated by drinking several glasses of water daily supports bodily functions. Also, being mindful of personal space, especially during peak illness seasons, can offer an extra layer of protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.